Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to make pie charts and donut charts in SAC. These two types of chart are typically used to analyze a percentage of a particular measure. For example, when analyzing the proportion of our sales revenue in different regions, or the percentage of sales revenue in our different product categories. There is not much difference between the two charts in your real project. You can choose any one to use per your needs. Now I will show you how to make these two charts. Get into our page, insert a chart. Let's make a pie chart first. The measure we choose is our sales revenue. For dimensions, we select products categories. And the chart shows the percentage of sales revenue per product categories. Put the mouse up. It shows actual sales revenue amount. Okay, let's move on. For another donut chart. Using same approach, we can choose the donut chart. Set measure to sales revenue. For dimension, we also select product categories. You can see the percentage share of different product categories in the total sales revenue. Okay, this is all for this lesson. Thanks for watching.